Alright, so let's get a little creepy with this video. This is the Apple Vision Pro persona. My persona. Now, I know it's a little weird because your boy Viper is not wearing sunglasses, but unfortunately, with Apple Vision Pro and their personas, at least right now, you cannot wear sunglasses. Now, they do have personas with glasses, eyeglasses, but you can still see the eyes, so it's not really sunglasses per se. Now, you should be able to see my hands. If I put them in front of my face, then they go blurry and things like that, but they do have the hand tracking enabled here. But this is how personas look. Now, when you will see these personas is if you are doing a video chat with somebody who is wearing an Apple Vision Pro, whether that be on a FaceTime call, Zoom meeting, Google Meet, WebEx, whatever video conferencing program that you are using at the time and connected with, if you are contacting or connecting with a person wearing the Apple Vision Pro, you are going to see their persona, and it looks something like this. Now, it does look a little weird. Turn left, turn right, look up, look down. You can see my teeth or whatever, how they figure it looks. You can see your tongue. It's a bunch of crazy stuff going on with Apple Vision Pro personas. Now, I'm using an app to record this called Persona Studio. What I'm doing right now isn't actually native to the Vision Pro. It's an app that I downloaded. So if you do have an Apple Vision Pro and you want to record your persona, look for Persona Studio in the Vision Pro store, App Store, and go ahead and make that happen. But this is it. These are the personas. This is how they look. Me personally, I have used these for actual work meetings because luckily I have a cool department that doesn't really care per se. They know what's going on as soon as I show up looking like this. When Viper shows up looking like this, they know something's wrong because normally when I show up to work meetings, I have my sunglasses on because I'm Viper. That's what I do. But when I show up with the persona, they know what's going on because they're like, yo, that's definitely not a normal Viper. The eyes are open. We can see your eyes, Viper. Yep, the persona is in full effect. But it's cool. I think it's different. I like it better than the MetaQuest avatars that they have going on. I'm much more comfortable showing up to meetings with an actual persona that looks something like me as opposed to an avatar on MetaQuest or whatever. I like how Apple is doing these. I think they're getting better with the next Vision OS update. I've heard a lot of people who are on the 1.1 beta say that personas are getting improved in Apple Vision Pro or Apple Vision OS 1.1. So I'm not on there. I'm not using the beta right now. But this is what it is. I think it's cool. Hopefully Apple will figure out a way to make it better. That'll be cool. But, I mean, for a first attempt, I mean, hey, it's cool. And the other thing with Persona Studio, when you are in a meeting like a Zoom or a WebEx, it does create a background that looks a lot like what you see here. So it creates this arbitrary background. So you don't really have to straighten up your work office area or anything like that. Basically, this is what it will look like when you are in a video conferencing call wearing the Apple Vision Pro. If you want more Apple Vision Pro content, hit that subscribe button. Also, I talk about some more apps that I'm feeling on Apple Vision Pro, so hit that video in the top right corner right there.